Hello and welcome back. My name is Jay Collier from the Photography Workshop Co. and today I'm bringing you a review and unboxing video of the new Jupio Tri Charger. Just when you thought charging technology couldn't get exciting, Jupio have come and changed the game completely. So for those that travel regularly and working photographers, you would know that the supplied manufacturer's chargers will only charge one battery at a time most commonly. Now the Tri Charger from Jupio not only charges 3 batteries at once, but it also acts as a USB power hub when you're using this with a USB cable for charging mobile devices on the go. And it also has a solution of storing your memory cards, either micro SD, SD, or CF Express. So stay tuned and I'll be unboxing this, taking you through the functions and features of the Jupio Tri Charger. As I'm currently a Canon user, I'm using the Canon version of the Tri Charger, which charges the Jupio series batteries that are the same as the Canon LPE6NH. So exactly the same format as the Canon-sized battery, Jupio also offer a 3-year warranty on all their battery products. So stick around and we'll take an up-close view of what comes in the box and the form, function, and features. Cheers! Okay, so I'm going to take you through what comes in the package itself. Now the batteries are available separately and it will also work with your standard manufactured brands batteries as well. So let's have a look at the product itself. So starting out, we'll open this package. This is the first time I've physically seen this unit. It's still sealed. It is not one that I have opened or seen before. So packaging itself, we'll just pop this open. Okay, so it comes with some information here. Pretty basic, as you can expect. The USB-C to USB-C cable. And the actual unit itself. So you'll see it has space for 3 of the Canon LPE6 series batteries, which I will pop out in a moment, and we'll take a closer look as we go. So here we have one of the Jupio LPE6NH series batteries to suit the Canon mirrorless R5s or 5D series, R6 series, most of the consumer and prosumer line of Canon series cameras. So moving to the top of the unit, you will see the 3 CF Express card slots, the 3 SD card slots, and the 2 micro SD card slots. To insert your cards, simply look at the card itself with the label facing backwards. A firm push down, you will feel the spring load click. To remove your card, simply push back down on the spring loaded clip and release your card. To insert and take out the batteries, you'll see some little channels here that you can push your fingers into to release the batteries and to insert the batteries. The unit itself has 25% increment LED lights. Once all of your batteries are installed, there is a button on the side next to the USB-C input, which activates the USB powerbank mode of the unit. By simply pressing the button, you will see the LED light increments in 25% lots. So you'll have 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100% indicators showing the charge level of your batteries. So if you're looking for the ultimate solution in having accessible power, charging 3 batteries at once, as well as storage for your CF Express, SD and micro SD cards, look no further than the Jupio Tri Charger. And for our Australian viewers, we have a 10% discount code for those wanting to purchase from the Australian distributor Maxim Australia. To check out the website and the full range at Maxim, go to maxim.com.au. By adding any product to the cart and using the code PC10, you will save 10% on the full range of Jupio batteries as well as all of the other products that Maxim distribute in Australia. So thanks so much for tuning in, and as you can all see and would agree, this is a game-changing product that I'm sure you'll be adding to your stash of photo gear very, very soon. Thanks again, I've been Jay Collier from the Photography Workshop Co, and thanks to Maxim and Jupio. Cheers guys.